Hello students, in this video I am sharing with you the list of items that is available as part of the do it yourself kit for making beautiful andal like this. So this is a these are the items that will be there in the do it yourself kit. This is the doll that is converted as a andal. Then we have glue, we have sari and the material for blouse, stone sheet, ball chain, a cute little parrot, beautiful earring. Then we have some kundan stones for decoration, golden thread, this wooden plank for fixing the doll, two types of hair, jada hair and this plaited hair, and then this garland. So these are the items available as part of the do-it-yourself kit. If you wish to buy this kit from us, please WhatsApp me. So if you wish, once you buy this kit, you will also get a video link to make this doll. You can follow the video and make the doll step by step. In the video, easy tutorials will be shared like how to fix the blouse, how to drape Iyengar style madisar, how to add jewelry, how to add garland, how to fix the hair, how to add a hair bun, etc, etc, etc. I'm sure it will be easy for a beginner following the instructions in the video along with this materials. WhatsApp me to buy this material at a very discounted price. WhatsApp number 7540067838. I will see you in the workshop. Bye-bye. Nisha here, signing off from Sri Kolhapuri School of Doll Making.